Good morning, everyone. Today is 21st of August, and we are going to talk about the news and updates related to Brightcom Group Limited. Uh, as we have seen in my last video, that there were some mm, audits asked by SEBI, and there were some interim orders asked by SEBI regarding this company. So, apart from that, when I searched on the news, I got to know that Brightcom Group needs to apply for trading suspension revocation with BSE and NSE. So, what is this news? Let's go through this. It is understood that um, Brightcom Group is going through some issues in their financial levels. I can see the Brightcom Groups whose shares are currently suspended for trading on the BSE and NSE due to non-compliance with the NSE Master Circular released an investor presentation on Sunday evening. सो इनका ट्रेडिंग सस्पेंड हुआ पड़ा है both NSE and BSE पर, and they are planning to do it after the AGM meeting. Like they will apply for the revocation. So they are currently increasing their presence in Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Asia Pacific. So this is a very big news, because of which I think there is a hue in the market. Um, we can see the Brightcom Group financials. Currently, the stock price is trading at around 6 and 7, and the promoters holding is also very low. It is less than 30%. The promoter holdings, FIIs, and the HNI's capital should be minimum 25 to 30%. So let's see shareholding pattern. See here, promoters are 18%, FIRs are 10%, and there is no government and public. So 28% is less than 30%. Minimum 35% needs to be there, so that we should have, because and the big people don't have faith in this stock, and when they will take out their money, there will be very less chance to trade on this stock. Like it will not go up and much. So that is the reason this company or this stock is, though having a good fundamentals, good financials, still it is having low price. If you see here, the debt to equity ratio is 0.0, whereas RO is 22% and ROC is 30%, more than 25%. So it's fine. Uh, as far as the quarterly results are concerned, there is a profit before tax is 446 and net profit is 321. Whereas the profit and loss in last 2023 was, mm, profit before tax is 1900 and after tax is 1371%, 1371 crore, sorry, and the trailing 12-month profit is 1415 crores. So this company is continuously growing large and doing good, but still the stock price is so low. Only reason which I see is this kinds of issues, that there are some mischievous activities going on here. We can see there the interim order by SEBI. An interim order was passed by SEBI on 22 August 2023 last year, related to concern regarding preferential allotment made by the company. They suspected that money raised were given as loans and advances to subsidiaries. And it was also alleged that proper disclosure were not made in the annual report. तो ये गड़बड़ी की गई है, छेड़छाड़ की गई. पहला उनके चेंज इन KMP. नीलेंदु रिजाइंड एज द इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर. उनको डायरेक्टर को वो करना पड़ा. राधा किशोर पंडरांगी वॉज अपॉइंटेड एज इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर. उनको किया गया 20 सितंबर 2023 में. सुरेश रेड्डी रिजाइंड एज चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, एंड नारायण राजू रिजाइंड एज CFO. इन सबको करना पड़ा. SEBI ordered forensic audit of the company, and Deloitte were appointed as forensic auditor with respect to financial year 24 14 15 to 1920. So 14 से लेके 20 तक का इनको audit कराना है. They said the forensic audit is under progress and then final of the investigation is yet to come by the time of certifications. Okay. अभी इनके कुछ बैलेंस शीट्स वगैरह कुछ इन्होंने पब्लिश किया है, वो देख लेते हैं. तो बैलेंस शीट यहाँ पे कैश फ्लो इन्वेस्टर डॉक्यूमेंट्स में चलते हैं. पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ बोर्ड मीटिंग होने वाली थी, ये पोस्टपोन हो चुका है. इन्वेस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन, ये कुछ है. इन्वेस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन, board meeting for the outcome of the board meeting held on August 12, 2024, dated financial outcome of the board meeting held on 11th August. ये सारे न्यूज़ हैं. ये फाइनेंशियल ईयर रिपोर्ट 2022 तक ही अप्लाइड है. ये इनका मेल है. पोस्टपोन, वी विश टू इन्फॉर्म दैट बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ Batcom which was scheduled to be held on 20th August was stand postponed, rescheduled to 24th of August. अच्छा ठीक है. To regulation 29 of SEBI. ठीक है, ये आना है इनका. We are enclosing an investor presentation. This presentation is also uploaded on the company website. Okay. ये है actual presentation. This is a Batcom Group 23-24 highlights, bottom top line growth. मुझे लगता है अच्छा ही रहेगा. Google Ads, इतने सारी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां इनके पार्टनर्स हैं. So looks good only. Trinova is a 100% subsidiary of Bradcom Group, initially consolidating in two entities based in London and Hong Kong. It will be led by Mr. Kalol Sen and his team of directors. The core objective is to consolidate and our market positioning in EMEA and APAC region. फाइन. मार्केट साइज अभी कितना है? 2028 तक इनका अनुमान है 7 एटिक मार्केट साइज. 2024 में 740 करोड़, 798 करोड़, 855, 90, 965. BCG. फाइन. ये था इनका प्रेजेंटेशन. Outcome of the board meeting held on 12th August 2024. Consolidated financial results of the quarter. We should inform the board consolidated financial results of quarterly and half yearly ended September 30, 2023. We should inform the board of directors that meeting key financial top line. The company reported a consolidated revenue of 1814 crore for quarter two, compared to 1683 crore corresponding quarter of the previous year, reflecting a growth of 7.8%. Quarter to quarter results are very good. Bottom line performance, profit after tax for quarter two to 350 crore compared to 321 crore. ये भी बढ़िया है इनका. So all good about this stock. Outcome of board meeting held on 11th August. We wish to inform that outcome of several key decisions were strategically strengthened to present the Batcom and Mr. Asia Pacific region. Kalol Sen, the presentation needed to company present the market and some growth potential, but in light of the board and three members leading director have moved from ठीक है. It is successful corporate in London and now. ठीक है. और कुछ है क्या? वही सब है basic. So yeah, this is the news currently with regard to Brightcom Group. Let's see what happens on 24th of August. In next 3 days, we are going to know about it, whether it happens or it again get postponed. So yeah, let's wait till then. Thank you and goodbye.